The Weather Project by Brianna Carrillo. Clouds are part of the water cycle. When clouds are being made, this is water vapor rises in the atmosphere, and this determines what the cloud looks like and what type of cloud it is going to be. So here's the water cycle, and what it's showing is that there's precipitation, okay? But first, it starts off from the oceans. Then it comes up to condensation. Then it goes into the atmosphere and makes these clouds. Then it goes down to precipitation and ice and snow. And when the ice and snow melts, it has a surface runoff, and there's dew and snow melt runoff, and then there's groundwater flow, and it finally ends up through all of that, goes back into the oceans. And this is how the clouds are made. Clouds also move along the earth. So we live here in Colorado, so when the clouds are over us, the earth moves in a circle. So the clouds rotate around the earth, making the clouds come onto the state. Precipitation is rain. So when the rain falls, it comes down. So these are rain clouds that are here. They're rain clouds all up here, and they're getting ready to rain on the mountain. Other rain clouds that are shown are right here, and these are more rain clouds that are over a city and place where, see the little itsy bitsy rain here, it goes down into the earth and it just rolls off into the ocean. These are Cyrus clouds. These are high clouds, and Cyrus clouds, this is a cloud that looks like a narrow band of hair, like a silky sheet appearance. These are a separation of crystals. These are cirrostratus clouds. They are transparent with whitish veil clouds, like fog. And this is also a high cloud. Cumulonimbus cloud is also a high cloud. This is a thin white patch sheet of layered clouds. As you can see here, it's like a big sheet of layered clouds. Snow is when it's cold outside. When the water falls, the rain freezes and it falls to the ground, making it snow for you. Hail is when frozen rain that falls in showers come anyways. Clouds, this is at the freezing level. The process forms cumulus clouds. Rain is when it falls, the temperature is hot, and the rain falls down. Sleet is also a little bit of the same thing, and it's frozen. Here's snow, what it looks like. It's a little more thicker. Here's sleet, which is a little thinner than snow. Here's rain, which is just water falling from the sky. And here's hail, that is pure ice falling from the sky. A thunderstorm is when lightning and thunder get made with gusty winds and heavy rain. Sea breezes with thunderstorms, and they could occur all hours of the day and night, mostly in the spring and summer months. 1,800 storms occur every day somewhere in the world. A tornado is a column of air extending from the sky to the ground. It can cause tremendous destruction with wind speeds of 300 miles per hour. and it destroys anything 1 mile wide to 50 miles long. A tornado forms over water, sometimes with hail. A hurricane spirals inwards and upwards at speeds of 275 miles per hour to 300 miles per hour, and it lasts up to a week. It is moving 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's over the waves with damages over cities. Waves from hurricanes can damage buildings, trails, and cars, and many other things. Climate changes are when there's a pattern that is broken for over a period of time. It is when the weather changes for that period of time instead of having a pattern through the whole year or that long period of time. When the climate happens, this is what a map looks like for the landforms. These are the landforms. So here's the US, Canada up here, and there's South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and all of these have different climate colors that show, which are here down in the key. What happens with the oceans here is that they also can change climate, but they have a weather pattern that happens, which can come also with the climate change on how that works.